We are going to take all of you on a flight and journey through the wonderful and colorful world of birds. We hope you leave the show feeling amazed by our bird conservation champions and be inspired to take actions for all our feathered friends across the world. Now, speaking of feathered friends, I'm pretty sure all of you saw them running around the stage, right? Well, those are our bantam chickens, and they are here to commemorate the year of the rooster. Now we have one more chicken joining us this afternoon. Everyone look right up at their heart. Let us welcome Chicky, our female bantam chicken, okay? Ah, there she is! There you go! Can we give her a big hand? Good job! Now some of you might think that chickens, they cannot fly. But Chicky here has proven otherwise, okay? Alright, Chicky, you can make your way back on your own, okay? Now, right now, we are going to highlight the natural behaviors of macaws in the wild, because they would congregate in palm trees to feast on palm nuts. So if you look right up there, we have some nuts and fruits hung up on that tree. And with that, everyone, look right up there. Let us welcome the birds. Here comes the first one. That is Gaia. Two more friends will be joining him. We have Ferrari and Lambo, our scarlet macaws. Now these birds, they can be found in jungles of South America. Now in the wild after feeding, they will go to rocky areas just like this to lick up on clay or chalk. Now this would help them with the digestion of any other palm nuts or fruits that they have eaten. Well, looks like all three of them are still right up there, but not to worry, this will definitely be the next stop. Now birds, they often gather food for their young, especially during nesting season. This afternoon, we will have a competition and they will need supporters. But before that, I need everyone's cooperation. For those of you taking pictures and videos, please turn off your flashes, okay? Thank you very much. Now we will need supporters for these two birds, so people over here, you will support Zonda, the blue and gold macaw. I need all of you to clap your hands, come on! And start running just like this, Zonda, Zonda! Louder! Stop, very good. People on this side, you will support Barry, the green-winged macaw. Same thing, clap your hands and shout his name, Barry, Barry! To the table. So birds, they gather food in tree hollows, just like this. There you go. So we have 4 fruits on each side of the table. Okay, now supporters ready? Birds are ready, let's go! Oh, she said it was just a warm up. So do you want? She wants one more game. Can we have one? So there you go, we have 4 fruits for berry and 4 fruits for Zonda. Now Zonda supporters, you have to cheer much louder. Ready, go! So these birds have done a fantastic job. Winky, Zonda and Berry are playful macaws. What differentiates parrots from other animals is their ability to copy sounds, and they do this in the wild for social communication. The owl named Amazon is famous for its ability to copy human sounds, and we have one such bird today. So everyone, get your cameras and video cameras ready, okay? Alright, so let's start with something simple. How about a nice hello? Hello! Ah, very nice to see you. Hello! Can you tell everyone here your name? Amigo! Did you catch that? One more time, what's your name? Amigo! Amigo is his name. Okay, Amigo, how would you like to greet all these nice people? How are you? How are you? Are you feeling good this afternoon? Yeah! Excellent. I'm called current line, which means the guest comes to visit. Amigo, ready? Can you sing in Mandarin? Current line, there you go, current line, word for word. Second song originated from Indonesia, entitled Rasa Sayang, which means feelings of love. This time, Amigo, can you sing Rasa Sayang? Rasa Sayang, Rasa Sayang, it's a birthday song. So for those of you celebrating your birthdays today, this song is for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, bye Amigo. It's time for Amigo to head back home, but before that, can all of you wave and say bye-bye, Amigo? Amazon parrot. Good job, Amigo. Now parrots like... Well, looks like we are ready. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, for grand finale, we will be bringing out lots of birds on stage. So let's get started. First up to Africa, we have the great white pelican. Next up to Asia, spot-billed pelicans. All the way from Eastern Europe, we have our Dalmatian pelicans. All 5 of them. Come over here, guys. Quickly now, come on. Now, back to Africa. The birds really have sexy long legs. The supermodels of the world are greater flamingos. All the way from South America, let's welcome our beautiful macaws from up there.